Aurora's annual Household Chemical Roundup will be held on Saturday, September 10th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Aurora Central Facilities at 13645 East Ellsworth Avenue, 1 block north of Alameda and Potomac. If you have products such as pesticides, paint, automotive products, or household cleaners, these items can be considered household hazardous waste and cannot be thrown in the trash. Attend the Household Chemical Roundup and safely and efficiently recycle or dispose of those items that can be harmful to people, pets, and the environment. This event is open to Aurora residents only, and participants must show proof of residency with a driver's license, utility bill, or other identification with an Aurora address. The Household Chemical Roundup is free, although donations are appreciated and there is a $3 fee to dispose of each tire. The following will not be accepted: business waste, medical and biological waste, ammunition, propane tanks, and explosives. For more information, go to aurorawater.org or call 303-739-7372.